In this video, I'll show you how to fix the scratch disk is full error message in Photoshop. So in order to fix this error message, there's a couple of things we can do. The first is you need to head over to Edit in the top navigation, come down to Purge, and then just select All. You'll get a pop-up saying this cannot be undone, just click on OK. And sometimes just doing this alone can fix the error message, but if you are still encountering an issue, the next thing we need to do is come over to Edit in the top navigation, scroll all the way down the bottom here until you see Preferences, and then select Performance from this list. So the first thing you'll see here is memory usage. Now I'd always recommend to keep this slider turned up to maximum like so, and then you want to come over to scratch disks in the left hand side in this navigation bar, and from this window you'll be able to see what scratch disk you're actually using on your computer. So if you do have more than one disk in here, then what I'd recommend doing is actually changing the scratch disk to the disk that has the most amount of free space. So for me that's going to be my C drive at the top, which is the one that's selected anyway. And if you also have your C drive selected here, then it's likely an issue with the actual storage space on this drive. Now this is obviously the drive that all of our other applications and saved files get saved to. So what you can do is just try freeing up some space on this drive. Now a good way to fix this is coming over to the start menu and searching for disk cleanup, and then just clicking on the disk cleanup application. Select the drive that you want to clean up, which is going to be our C drive. So from this window here, just select Clean Up System Files, and that's going to calculate how much space we can actually save by clearing all these files. So you can see by clearing everything in here, it's going to save me 1.63 gigabytes of storage space. So just go ahead and select OK right at the bottom here. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click Delete Files. Now another thing you may need to do is head over to the Start menu and search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left hand side, come over to Apps and click on Installed Apps. And from here, you want to organize your applications to which ones are using the most amount of storage. So I can sort by from large to small. You can see actually Premiere Pro is the one that takes the most amount of storage on my computer. And what you want to do is just go through this list and uninstall any applications that you're potentially not using and taking up a lot of storage. And this is another way to free up space on your computer and another way to fix the scratch disk error message. So once you've done these few steps, you need to restart your computer, and that should have solved now any issues you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.